All right, 2021 Peterbilt 389, 565 Cummins, 13K front, 40 rears, full lockers. You can see them right here. Cross lockers, 18 speed. This truck actually has 409,000 miles on it. It's got this odometer, and then there's a sticker in the door from Peterbilt up in Rock Springs when they changed that out. So 409,000 miles on it with 785 for hours. You can see, we'll go through everything really quick. Power windows. This truck is deleted in tune, so it's got some power. Does look like there's a rock chip in that mirror right there. I don't know if you can see it. It still functions fine, as you can see, but it does have a chip in it. This window, or this mirror over here, works. I'm running too fast here. I don't know if I try this window, but we're going to do it again if I didn't. If I did, so power locks. We got this nice big storm coming in, and I'm trying to get the trucks done before I head out for the storm. So I don't have any washer fluid. Don't know if it's empty or it's just not working. So no washer fluid. Turn signal. Radio. Source.
Or call 9707.
So radio works. Looks like it's missing the fan knob. Maybe that's what the pliers were for in here, right here to adjust that. So let's try it. Hey, that works. I'm told the AC and everything works on this. Nice truck. So if you have any questions, let me know. It runs and drives good. We can throw it into gear. Goes into gear, clutch brakes work, shifts good, so reverse is fine. Running out of room here. Got all these other trucks, so we've got a bunch of trucks that we're selling for these guys. Anyway, I guess I can get out of here now. I'm gonna go. Sure, I'm not gonna hit anybody else. So it runs good.